a quick dinner idea that's simple and easy to make but tastes oh so good and can compete with Chinese takeout? Oh yes, today I have an easy pea and chicken stir-fry recipe for you. It's simple and easy to make. Hi, I'm Shelly from Frugal Family Home, where I create quick tutorials to help build your cooking and baking confidence. And today I want to share with you a simple and easy chicken stir-fry recipe that includes sugar snap peas. I'm sure your family's going to love it, so let's get started. So to prep our peas, we want to take the strings off. So you just want to grab the end and then pull, and then grab the other end and pull, and it's done, ready to go. For our onion, we're just going to cut it in half, lay it on its side, and then we're just going to slice it just like that. And you just want thin slices just like that, and once you get it all done, we're ready to cook. We have our water in our container, and to that we're going to add our lime juice and our soy sauce, the pepper and garlic powder. Now you can use fresh garlic. I didn't have any this time, but fresh garlic is really good in this too. And finally we have our sweet chili sauce. And we're just going to use a little whisk and whisk it until it's mixed. And our stir-fry sauce is ready. Okay, to the hot skillet, we are going to add our oil. We're going to add our chicken. And we're just going to get that cooking until it's partially cooked through. And to the partially cooked chicken, we're going to add onions. And we're just going to stir and cook those until they're softened, just a couple of minutes. Our onions and chicken are are cooked. The chicken's browning a little bit and the onions are softened. Now we're going to add our sugar snap peas. And we're just going to mix those in a bit and get them cooking. We want to cook them for about 1 or 2 minutes until they're tender crisp. Next we're going to add our pineapple. And then we just add our stir-fry sauce and stir it around a bit and heat everything through. And now our stir fry's in. Let's go ahead and plate it up. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make your own stir fry at home with chicken and peas. And if you'd like the printable recipe, look for the link in the description. And if you don't follow us yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.